This is KaipingJianli Scaffold Co Ltd. Established in 2005. It has 20 years of experience in scaffolding production and research and development experience. Located in Guangdong Province, China, with an area of over 30,000 square meters. CNC automation workshop is a crucial part of scaffold manufacturing. All parts that need to be formed by stamping are processed here. Every process here pursues intelligence and efficiency. From components to finished products, every process is strictly controlled. Empowered by electrostatic spraying process, staying in good shape after long use. Our company have a 6,000 square meter indoor finished product warehouse. Products and accessories are neatly stacked and sufficient inventory. We have established and equipped with advanced and professional technicians. We customize construction plans according to customers' needs. We uphold the principle of integrity and pursue excellent service concepts. We warmly welcome customers to consult and negotiate. We sincerely welcome and create the future together.